Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you how I make this delicious akara. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and I so much appreciate. Let's get started. For this recipe you will be needing red bell pepper, onions and habanero pepper to add to your taste. Salt. I will be using black eye beans for this recipe. You can as well use brown beans. I started by soaking the beans with some water for an hour. Soak the beans help the skin to peel off easily. 1 hour later, you can see the beans can easily peel off. Next, transfer some of the soaked beans and water in a blender. I'm using the plus button to break the beans. So I repeated this process until I'm done with the rest of the beans. This is how the beans looks like. It is broken, not blended, okay? So you will be needing a sieve and a container for the washing. Add some water to the beans and start to rub your hands with the beans, until all the beans are peeled off. If you are not using blender, you can still repeat the same process, okay? Put a sieve in another bowl and strain the water. I use the same water until when I'm almost done. Then get a cleaner water. You don't need to waste too much water to clean your beans, okay? You can use your finger to peel the beans that still have coats on. So I repeated this process like 2 to 3 times or until it is well peeled. Now we are done with the beans well cleaned. I went ahead and divided the beans into 2 parts. The first one with some onions, habanero pepper, red bell pepper and beans. The second one with some onions and beans. Now it is time to blend them. Next, transfer in a blender. Blend until it is smooth. Please and please blend the beans with very little water. Too much water will result in flat or no akara. Okay? Once done, transfer in a bowl. So I repeated this process until I am done with the rest of the beans. Next, chop the onions and habanero pepper into tiny parts or pieces. Next, I added in some salt to taste. Incorporate air into the beans batter before frying. To achieve a very fluffy akara or pose, you need to beat it to incorporate air into it. This can be achieved by using a wooden spoon or whisk and turn it clockwise until you achieve a lighter batter just like this. If you have hand mixer, feel free to use it. It saves a lot of time. So I added in my chopped habanero pepper and onions. Feel free to taste for salt and mix. So I repeated the same process with the second one and set it aside. Next, place a frying pan on medium heat, add some vegetable oil and heat until it is hot. Scoop batter in bits to the ready hot oil. Once the batter flowed on top just like this, that is showing you that the batter is well mixed and the oil is ready to be used. Reduce the heat and cook on each side till golden brown. So I repeated this process until I exhausted the whole batter. Our akara is done and ready. Now we are going ahead to prepare our custard. Put some custard powder into a good size bowl. Start mixing by pouring in small quantity of water into the bowl of custard. Stir and add some water till you have a medium mix with no lumps. Once the water boils, pour it slowly but steadily into the bowl of custard and stir at the same time. If it is too thick, you can add more water to it and we are done. So I topped it up with my sugar. Give it a complete stir. Feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. Add some powdered milk or liquid milk to it. Yeah, the choice is yours. It can be served with akamu, agidi or bread. As you can see, I served mine with custard and it tasted so super yummylicious and delicious. Yeah, the akara was so soft and fluffy. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remember,